Hi, my name is Ellie Johnson. I'm a vegan chef and a major foodie. Every week I'll be here sharing my favourite gluten-free and vegan recipes with you. They'll all be super easy to make and nourishing as well as delicious. Today I'll be showing you how to make my favourite granola. It's gluten-free, vegan and refined sugar-free. I love this recipe because it's really easy to make and it also makes your morning so quick. You just have to put it in a bowl with some yogurt or some milk and whatever your favourite toppings are and you're sorted. So let's get into the video. Firstly, in a large bowl, mix 3 cups of gluten-free rolled oats with 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then place a small pan on low to medium heat and put in 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You're going to want to melt this gently before adding in 1/4 cup of peanut butter and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Mix this all together until it is all melted and well combined. Now quickly pour this into the oat mixture before it sets and stir everything until it's uniform. Next, grab yourself a baking tray and line it with baking parchment. Pour in the wet granola mixture and use a spatula to evenly spread everything in the tray. Bake this at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. In those last 5 minutes, keep a very close eye on the mixture and you can even give it a bit of a stir just to stop it from burning. Let your granola cool and then transfer it to a bowl or the container that you plan to store it in. Then add 1/3 cup of seeds or nuts. I use sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Then you can add 1/3 cup of vegan chocolate chips. Just know that a lot of chocolate chips do contain white sugar, so you can always use broken up dark chocolate pieces, raw chocolate or cacao nibs, or just exclude it altogether. And that's it! This keeps fresh for a few weeks in an airtight container. I like to eat mine for breakfast with some vegan unsweetened yogurt and top it with fruit and some pure maple syrup. You can find the full recipe for this granola in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below letting me know what your favourite toppings are for your granola. If you liked this video, I think you will love my free ebook. It's called Weeknight Staples and it's got all my favourite gluten-free and vegan meals that I love to make on those nights when I just can't be bothered cooking. So if you want to grab your copy, it's totally free and you can click the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe as well if you enjoyed it. I'll be posting more videos like this every single week. That's it for now. Have a lovely day and I hope I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!